on the Lenovo M8 tablet here. As you can see, we're currently in settings, and let's go ahead, click on pair a new device. And let's just go ahead and let's first take our Bluetooth mouse here. Let's go to position 2 here. Press and hold the pairing button until it starts flashing. We've located the mouse, so let's go ahead and click on that to issue the pair request. Let's click on pair, give it a few seconds. Now let's go ahead and move the mouse around here. As you can see, we now have the mouse all connected. Now let's go ahead and let's click pair new device again. And now let's go ahead and take the keyboard here. This is the Pebble keyboard. Let's go ahead with position 3 here. Let's press and hold position 3 until it starts flashing. And now on the Lenovo tablet, we've located the keyboard here. Let's press it here for the pair request. Now let's go ahead and enter this pairing code on the keyboard. After you're done, go ahead and hit enter. Then give it a few seconds. And now, just like that, we basically have a fully functioning laptop here. Let's go ahead. So let's go back to the main portion here. Let's make sure this works. As you can see, it does. Scrolling to the left and right. And the mouse works as well. So basically, we just turned our Lenovo tablet, the M8, into a basically fully functioning laptop or a desktop, whichever you want to call it.